The police are probing a double murder and shooting in McGregor Gully, Kingston East, Sunday night. Gunmen reportedly struck sometime after 10 p.m. when they opened fire at a house, hitting the occupants. Information reaching the Gleaner is that a man and an 8-year-old boy were killed. The man had only been identified as Joel, while the child has been identified as BJ Dawes. A third person, a male, remains hospitalized. The area is tense and police are patrolling the space. A policeman is dead after his motorcycle reportedly collided with a cow in Little London, Westmoreland on Sunday. The deceased has been identified as Constable Tajay Ebanks of Traffic Department, Westmoreland Division. Observer Online understands that about 8:15 p.m., Ebanks was driving his motorcycle along the New Hope Main Road in Little London when it is alleged that a cow walked into his path, resulting in a collision. The seriously injured Ebanks was rushed to the Savannah Lamar General Hospital where he died while undergoing treatment. A firearm and 4 rounds of ammunition were found during an operation in Woodford District, Irish Town in St. Andrew on Sunday. Reports from the Irish Town Police said that about 4:30 p.m., a team of officers conducting an operation in the area found the weapon: 1 revolver, 2 9mm cartridges, 1 .38 special cartridge and 1 .44 cartridge at a cemetery. No one was arrested. Investigation continues. Lawmen assigned to the St. Catherine South Division arrested a man during an operation in Bamboo Ridge, Bartons District in St. Catherine on Saturday. 1 firearm was also reportedly found in his possession. Reports from the Old Harbour Police are that about 10:40 p.m., a motor vehicle was stopped in the area, when the suspect alighted from the vehicle and surrendered. The man was searched and a 9mm Glock 19 pistol, along with a magazine containing 3 9mm rounds of ammunition, was found in his waistband. He was taken into custody. His identity is being withheld at this time.